You know that feeling when you think I'm not qualified enough, why would any big conference sponsor me? I had the exact same thought, but here's the reality. The world actually needs to hear your voice, your thoughts, your views. And hi, I'm Monica. I'm an engineer. I build data and AI solutions, and I'm the host of the TMS podcast. And in this video, I want to share how you can also get a fully funded scholarship to attend conferences like KubeCon, especially because I've been there myself. I received a fully sponsored scholarship for KubeCon China and KubeCon Europe, and I've attended six KubeCons. And trust me, it wasn't magic. It wasn't like I applied once and suddenly got selected. Nothing works like that. So you really have to put in the work. And the first thing you need to understand about these scholarship is that they are not just funding trips. They're really supporting impact that you do. So let's talk about the KubeCon. And if you don't have any idea about the KubeCon, so KubeCon is all about cloud native tech and open source project. So if this space aligns with your work and your interest, you are on the right. So before you apply, you just have to ask yourself what impact I'm creating in this space, if this will be beneficial for my career. And if we talk about my impact in this space, the impact came from community building. So I got the opportunity to go build and run the CNCH Gurgaon. With my co-organizer Ankit, we started hosting event in 2023. We stayed consistent and made ourselves visible, especially on LinkedIn. So far, we have hosted 14 plus events. Along with the community work, I was also speaking about data and AI at meetups, colleges, and large conferences. And over time, that story became my story, a real story of contribution and making an impact. And honestly, that's the key. I made sure people knew that I exist, that I'm contributing continuously. So before applying for any scholarship, you should have a story to tell. If you don't yet start, great, start one. And once you have that, the next step is very simple. Look for upcoming KubeCons. We have KubeCon Europe, China, India, and North America coming up. You can apply for them. And now, who are these scholarships for? So first, for the active community members, that means hosting events, speaking at the conferences, or creating content in this space. And second, for the maintainers of open source project. And third, people from underrepresented groups. So if you fall under any of these categories, I think you are good to go for the apply. And I'll share the scholarship link in the description. So make sure you check it out. And the last thing I wanted to say this, just apply, start creating your story, start making an impact, because we never know how one opportunity can change our life, but it always start with that taking that one step. All right, I'll see you in the next one.